Did you know carrots come in more colors than just the familiar orange? They come in purple, red, yellow, white, and black. Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're finally are going to put my elevated raised bed to use. If you remember, when I got this, I said that I wanted to plant carrots in this particular bed. And about a week ago, give or take, we went ahead and filled the bed up and we put in some amendments on more bone meal than blood meal. And today is the day that we're actually going to put carrot seeds into this bed. Now, in my area, zone 9A/8B, I'm supposed to be able to grow carrots next month in October, but realistically, we're about 2 weeks away, so I can't see where 2 weeks is going to make that big of a difference. So we're going to go ahead and sprinkle our seeds into the bed, and I thought I would bring you along. So the seeds that we are going to grow are Danver 126, and in this little pouch, it says that there are 1,000 seeds in here. Now, obviously, we're not going to plant that many, but we're going to sprinkle them along on the soil like this. Now, carrot seeds, if you've grown them before, you know that they are extremely small, and it's easy to plant more than what you really intended to plant in your area. Okay, I think that's enough there. Now, last year, I covered the seeds up with a light dusting of soil. I'm not going to do that this year. I'm going to take some cardboard and lay it on top of the seeds that we just put down and press down. And then I'm going to come back in about a week to 2 weeks to see if we have had any germination from the seeds. Now, this should keep the seeds that we put down moist and in contact with the soil, and they should germinate rather well. And just like that, we have planted our carrots for the 2025-2026 season. So I want to thank you for coming along while we did this real quick video. We planted a variety of carrots called Danvers, and I'm looking forward to having a pretty decent carrot harvest. Last year we got a harvest, but they weren't very big or anything like that. So hopefully this year they'll be better. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to please consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Let's try to get this video up to 175 likes. The more likes, the more it gets played. Also, you can hype it up now with the new YouTube hype mechanism that they have. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.